Ladies and gentlemen, valued partners, friends, at Berytech, we always believe that Lebanon's most pressing challenges won't be solved in silos. They demand collective intelligence, shared purpose, and the courage to build together. Over the last 20 years, we haven't only supported startups, we've nurtured ecosystems. We've built bridges between innovators and institutions, between local ambitions and global reach. And today, on this PowerX stage, we're proud to announce a new chapter, a new story, a story that will last. When we launched Koot, our agri-food first innovation cluster in Lebanon, many wondered, could the cluster model work here in Lebanon? Well, I believe the results speak for themselves. We brought together, since the launch of Koot, more than 150 actors, startups, farmers, industries, ministries, institutions, international partners, and we turned fragmented efforts into a unified action. Also, through the Euromed Cluster Forward program, we've connected with more than 35 clusters across the Mediterranean, because innovation doesn't stop at borders, and neither should collaboration. This journey taught us something fundamental. When we align our strengths, ecosystem thrives. At Berytech, we don't just launch initiatives, we build infrastructure for innovation. We don't chase quick fixes, we invest in long-term impact. We create new economic opportunities where others see persistent problems. Which brings us to today. Today we're launching 2 new clusters for Lebanon. 2 major challenges to deal with. The first is the waste valorization cluster. This isn't just about waste management. It's about transforming our waste crisis into economical values, into jobs, into new industries, into the age of circularity. Second, the sustainable energy cluster, because Lebanon's energy challenges are real, but we believe that they hold even greater opportunities if we unite around a shared vision. Both clusters are made possible thanks to the generous support of the Kingdom of the Netherlands. They've been supporting us all along. These clusters are not about duplicating what already has been done. We are doing it with humility and purpose, to complement, not to compete, to amplify, and not to duplicate. This is what Lebanon needs, this is what the region needs, and this is what our next generation deserves. Now, let's hear from my 2 colleagues who inspire me every day, who will lead these clusters forward. So please welcome, with a warm applause, our 2 cluster managers, Ingrid Saloum and Youssef Yamin, to the stage.